Alright, today we're going to be doing a headlight bulb replacement on a 2007 LR3. Should be the same for 2005 to 2009 models, but I'm no expert, so do not quote me on that. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to remove the clips in the middle, and then there's also some along the top. These are pretty easy to get to. Once you're done with that, pull off the grill. The next step is popping up these little tabs here. There's one on each side, one on the inner, one on the outer. Once you get those, got to align the holes right so that you can get the headlight out, and then you're gonna just wiggle it back and forth. Once that's done, pull the headlight out a little, and then you're gonna undo this clip right here. The next thing to do will be to remove this cap here covering the bulb. Then we're going to twist here and pull this off carefully. And then you have two retaining clips right there. You just squeeze those together. You can see here to get those out. After that, all we got to do is pull the bulb. And then we're going to get our new bulb. Be careful not to touch the glass here. Oils from your fingers could cause them to prematurely fail, or I've heard something about possibly exploding. Don't know, don't want to find out. And then put everything back together. And now we're going to install it back on the car. And then you're basically going to repeat the same exact process on the driver's side. Nothing is different. The bulbs I used are Sylvania Silver Stars. I'll see if I can put a link in the description to them if I can get it. Finishing up putting the driver's side back together, and then we are gonna test it, make sure everything works before we put the grill in. There you go. Everything looks good. Thanks for watching.